Alright, we're just gonna go ahead and hop on into this, see what happens. So last couple streams, worked on implementing this PR here in Owncast. In this PR, basically we implemented webhook events. So the webhook events, like this one right here, accepts all the events basically. And then if you want to choose the events that a particular webhook gets, you choose there. Um, just a second. Like I said, today I probably have more interruptions than usual. But okay, so yeah, you can choose a particular event you want to see, or all events. The type of events that we have sending so far. I'm running this PR here on the stream. So message sent, username change, visibility toggle, stream started, stream stopped, and here's some kind of like the previews of the events. So hopefully this works well, since this is running the stream now. So yeah, we're gonna hope that it works. Because redeploying, I don't think is really gonna work out too well. So we'd probably have to, if this doesn't work, we'll have to switch to local development, kind of fix things. But fingers crossed, everything will work. All right, let's do this then. So, kind of want to start off, since I know the Owncast part. I'm gonna start with the Twitch side. Twitch does basically, I guess, like an IRC. Is the only way that we, based on the previous streams, we determined that IRC is the only way to listen to chat messages. All of their fancy event systems are only useful for odd things, like to me it's odd. Like we have, let's see if we can find a list of stuff, like the badges, channel subscriptions. I mean, channel subscription makes sense. Whispers. Um, there's a hype mode. Several other things. Like none of these really to me made sense. I'm hoping, kind of hoping, for the sake of like streamers, that this isn't like. It seems odd for Twitch to have decided not to implement. And I'm hoping I'm just missing something blatantly obvious. But Googling around, DuckDuckGo, whatever, I couldn't find anything. So, anyways, let's see what we come up with this time. So yeah, starting off with this. Basically, they have it running on glitch. This kind of tutorial here. So I'm gonna do the same. It's free. And following their guide seems like the best way to get started. So I've kind of actually cloned this, implemented a few environment rails as it said. I've done here, so this OAuth token here, I've gone and generated the OAuth token, plugged it in. So basically we're sitting with an environment running over here. I have an address, I have the code kind of here started. Haven't ran it yet, so hopefully it works. But yeah, so we're gonna start from here. I've also gone ahead before the stream and hooked up Rocket Chat webhook, and this webhook is pointing to a channel. When we get to that time, I'll actually show you how it's done, just so it's on stream. But I won't share my endpoint. Sorry, don't want anybody sending spam to my endpoint. All right, so let's go ahead and do this. So let's get started with, grab this chunk of code here. Open up, I'll call this Twitch Owncast Rocket Chat bot. long name, I know. Alright. Oh, I brought this up earlier, but we'll go ahead and close. Really? Okay. Oh, this has non-saved file. Maybe now if I close it, it'll... That was weird. Okay. So I'll call this bot.js like they have done. Copy the code in. Let's see, what did it do? Okay, yeah, it's just the way it pasted it in. Looks a little bit strange. Let's go ahead and make this full screen. See if I can fix some of this. So actually, you know what? Let's make this easier on myself. I'm just gonna copy what's inside of glitch already. Let's start from there as our base point. Okay. So basically, let's look what this does. It takes the environment variables that we've set: bot username, OAuth token, channel name. Those have already been set. Creates a client. Listens for messages. Listens for connections. Looks like this particular example is just doing a dice roll. Let's go back over here. I believe there's an npm install I've got to do. Yep, npm install tmi.js. I didn't even notice my music has stopped once again. Don't think it likes Firefox. Anyways, okay, so let's close this window out. Alright, let's go ahead and I've gotta make these available locally. Okay, hold on a second then. Let me do this off window real quick. Create a workspace. .env file. Let me paste this over. You can just stare at my nice, pretty background here. I really should set one. Alright, close this file out. Alright. There we go. Alright, so we've got the environment variable set. See what we got. No response from Twitch. I don't know if this will leak stuff or not. Let me, once again, move it over. Okay. Not really sure. I can't tell if it's sending it or not. So let's do the good old-fashioned Node.js debugging. I'm not gonna do the whole entire options, but we will do process bot user fine. That's what I thought. Okay. I forgot to do this. Yeah, I know I can do that. Okay. Could have swore just running source on a file would load it up. Let's see. Okay, it does. But it's still on just fine. I'm sure I'm gonna feel like an idiot. Could have swore that Node.js automatically loaded those .env files. I don't really want to go and copy and paste those. This means I've got to kind of do it off window. Let's see. Node environment .env. I guess I could do this. It's not the worst thing in the world. That's not what I wanted. So used to doing Command Shift V to paste from a terminal. Let's see what happens now. Okay. So I should be connected. Unknown command test. Okay. Let's see, what is this command? D20. All right. So just to show you, that does work. So we have a bot talking to Twitch. That's cool. Pretty basic. Now let's get Owncast working with this. Alright, so what we need to do here, I need to figure out how exactly, this is Express website. I don't remember if there's something special you need to do with Express or not, but basically what I want to do here, so I want to get Express running, and a glitch app, set up a webhook endpoint. I've already got the path specified in the live Owncast that I'm running here. I really don't know why. Apple Music does not like to play on Firefox. Probably should say to Spotify, but the new bundling stuff was too attractive. There we go. Alright. Let's see what we got. Yeah, sorry, lost my train of thought. So, yeah, basically, so I find, I called the endpoint here in the production file just /owncast. It would take in the query parameter secret, which takes a secret. So I want to implement that, like, very basic Express app here. So let's go ahead and do install Express. Guess I save it. Let's bring it down the top here. I'll fix that all up later. const app equals express. Okay, let me get back to the window so I can actually see the chat in case something happens to be posted. Alright, so let's see, app, we want to, I don't really need static assets passed. I really just need this, something like this guy. Let's see. I don't know if this is, I think this is a blocking thing, so this could be interesting. Yeah, I may need to do something about that. Let's go ahead and define that. This is called Owncast. Request dot set query. Yep. Dot. Oh, what is it? Query. Forget. I think you just do the field. I haven't worked with Express in. Oh, I have no idea how long it's been. Secret past. JavaScript in general, I don't work with a whole lot, so getting my excuses in early. Let's see, response.json. Hello world. Why not? Okay. Alright, so I need to remember. I think. Oh, I want to basically. I don't want to block on this client connector. I don't remember how to do that. I'm so used to Go and just fork this guy off into the background. Just Go function name, fire it off into a Go why am I forgetting what it's called? Coroutine. Go routine, rather. Not coroutine, but go routine. Okay. Let me just try this, I guess. Let's see. Process environment port. Yeah, so it specifies the port. Makes sense. Alright, so I don't think it's actually going to listen on the web port, but I'm going to give it a shot. So node bot, I'm going to set port myself this time. Instead of putting it in the environment variable. 8080. Oh, it did. Okay. 8080. Owncast. Secret equals blah blah. Okay. That's not what I expected to happen. Does it actually work on the first try? Okay. Cool. So we have Twitch already sending messages. We now have that's weird. I'm not sure what showed twice here. Anyways, yeah. So secret passed. And once again, the music stopped. That is bizarre. I'm just gonna go to. I'm using the stream beats. I saw a deal about it earlier today. Just gonna give it a shot. Oh, they only have links. I thought maybe you could play it through the website. Oh, you can. Haha. See how long that lasts. Okay. Alright, so yeah, so we have a secret. We actually need to do a comparison. We need to see if request query secret equals process environment We called it webhook secret, probably. So we have an equals. Then it'll need to get sent to Rocket Chat. Okay. Guess let's go ahead and set up a method here. This is gonna look messy for a while, so bear with me. Send to Rocket Chat. Text. Maybe author. Text. Yeah, let's do that. Let's see. All right, so I want to make a call. Need to make a webhook, basically call out to Rocket Chat. Now, what is the best way nowadays to do a webhook? Just HTTP post. Axios. I remember Axios, kind of, sort of. I'm down, I guess. Axios post. Yeah, let's do this. So npm install, save. Well, get out what's installed first. Axios. Axios require Axios. Let's see, can I use it? I'm gonna try using Ace. I don't use async enough. Async function. Let's do a try. Do a catch. Okay. And it stopped again. Wow. Just play some music. Let's try a random other playlist it's got here. Like, it's not that hard to play through the browser, guys. Alright. So we do a wait. What do we call this? We call this like results. Come on. Result equals Axios dot post process. I'm gonna have to double check these. Projects. Come on. Rocket Chat hook, webhook, secret. Okay. Right on the first try. What's the odds of that? Okay. So yeah, do a post with the payload. Okay. So actually, this is a good point to go and show Rocket Chat. Let me go over here. Alright. So here is Rocket Chat. We have a Rocket Chat, the Owncast contributors get on and talk. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna create an integration. So go to admin, integrations. So you can see this is the one I've actually got set up already. But I'm gonna set up another one just for the sake of showing on stream. So choose a channel. I would choose I'll use demo. I won't actually post. Okay. Oh, yeah. So there's a default user called RocketCat you can use. So we're going to use RocketCat as the user to post as. We're going to set an alias. Integration. I'm just going to set this just for demo's sake, basically. Okay. So you can set a script if you want to like parse the payload coming in. This is useful if you can't control the payload. So you could actually write a little tiny JavaScript thing, basically to take the incoming JSON, translate it over to the actual payload needed. But here's an example payload right here. So I'm gonna take that, but when you save, just to show you what it looks like, you'll get this URL here. And so this is what you can send your JSON to. I am going to, however, delete this. I'll bring it back over here in a minute when we get at firing webhooks off. But yeah, so here's, go ahead and create a message here. Let's go to constant rocket chat RC message equals. So the sender rocket chat, I'm actually going to define a source here. So we can say it comes from Twitch, or we can say it comes from Owncast. I'm going to do that because here in this alias, so I don't need magic. Okay, I need to use those here though. The idea is that we could do something like this. So I could say source, so this would be Twitch or Owncast, and then I can say author. So this will show as the sender in Rocket Chat where it came from and who the sender was. So this should be pretty helpful. So the message field, so this is where, or the text field, this is where the message goes. And so I'll go ahead and actually just put the text here. You know what? I don't even need to do that. I don't know why I keep defaulting to these. Okay, and we don't really right now want to go as far as do attachments, so I'm going to take that out. So we have this RC message. Okay, and so RC message is what we'll send here. And let's just check out. Let's be verbose. Console log. Sending message to Rocket Chat from. When I actually need to use them, I didn't. So we'll say from source. We can be verbose. Author and the text. This is being really verbose. This is another case where it's really kind of verbose. Result.status code. Let's see. Error calling webhook. And we'll drop out the error. And for now, that's all we'll do. Okay. So now, right now we're gonna just handle the Owncast message, basically message sent. We'll worry about the others later. Okay, so we'll do forget how to check the body of the. Let's see if they do it over here. Express. We'll take a look at the body of the message real quick. Message on message handler. Oh, this is not. Why am I looking at this one? Oh man. Crystalline Swanky Mailbox. That's a name. So I can do JSON. Okay, so it doesn't even have it. Okay, so let's do express parse JSON body. And actually, this isn't a get. This will be a post. So I'm gonna switch that over. Parse request body in JSON. Express.json. Okay, yep, that'll be important. I'll organize this better later. We'll do express.json. Weird. Decided to play the next song this time. Request to, oh. So with the middleware and it's available. Nice. Okay, so const body requests. Yeah, I do like that style better. Let's do that. Requests. I'm used to using rec and res. Brings back some of the old memories of Express. Alright. Rec.body. Okay, so we want to take and basically if body dot, let's look at our payload here. So in all of those, the field we have in common is type, but I'm not going to trust that type exists. So we're going to do body type and body type equals message sent. Okay, so now we know that it's a message sent event. Then if event, I'm used to go again. I'm trying to do it without parentheses. If body dot event data. Yeah, you check that first. And just do one more set of verification before we go any further. Body. If those exist, then it's most likely a somewhat valid object. Okay, so let's do this. Send to Rocket Chat. Source is Owncast. The author will be body. I'm going to take a shortcut here. Let's see. Message equals body event data. Why not? Couple less characters. Author message dot raw body. Okay. So in this case here, and you know what? Temporary. Because I'm lazy. Okay. Send to Rocket Chat. You know what? No. No. Let's not do that. Okay. Let's go ahead and we'll try to post this over to glitch. Just commit. Let's just do this. Send a Rocket Chat how confident we are, right? Maybe not. Okay, command names. This is message trim, so this is the actual message. So message, command name. Let's, all this junk here. Let's do, I really don't know what's on this object here. Maybe I can find out from this library. TMI.js. Let's see, how do we find out something about the message sender? Tags.username. Wow, I like how they format this better. This makes more sense. Channel. Tags. It's probably like equivalent of message data. And self, okay. Let's just take this guy out. Okay, so yeah, I guess we could trim white space. Doesn't hurt anything. But tags is username, so we take and we're gonna say send to Rocket Chat. The source, Twitch. Author is tags dot username, and message is message. Well, no, it's not. It is message. Why is it different color? I think that's like a reserve type. Alright. So we've got two different handles here. I don't care about this rolled dice anymore. Da-da-da. I'm going to remove this. No more revealing my secrets. Okay. Let's go over to our projects. And cheerful. Here's the problem. And to do something like this, npm init. Sure. See what the JSON looks like. Axios.dev. I don't know if I need that one here in production, but we'll go ahead and include it. Okay. Oh, hold on. Script start. We may need that one. Node.js. Main is bot.js. Dependencies. Da da da. Engine isn't included. Don't know if it needs to be. Repository? Sure. We'll use the repository they have. License. MID, sure. Alright. Let's take this guy, copy it over. Bot.js. What do you not like? RC. Oh. Yep, helps if I can actually spell, huh? RC message. Okay. Now how do I try this? App status. Okay. Show a new window. There's nothing here. There's not gonna be in a web interface, so I'm not sure what it has to wake. How do I see like the logs and stuff? Tools? Ah, logs. Okay. So it's like it's preparing. Your app is listening. No response from Twitch. Okay. I think that indicates... Let's comment this guy out. I'm not sure. How do we... Okay. Your app is listening. Pecan bot. Okay. Sounds like it's listening. Oh my god. Check this out. Oh, come on. Come over to this other window. I posted a message in Twitch, and here it is. Now, the moment of truth, the more important thing here. Can I post from Owncast and get the same result? Testing. Oh, come on. Why not? Case aspect undefined. I don't think that means anything, so test 2 on Twitch. Okay, so it's still working from that side. Now the question is, why not from Owncast? Okay, so I see... Let's do it from my mobile real quick. Live.geekgonecrazy.com. Testing 2. There's no like exceptions happening in Owncast. Hey, you know what? I forgot to start Owncast in debug mode. Let's see. Let me see if I can remember the command line flag for Owncast. I think I'm gonna have to interrupt the stream. Mostly because I can't figure out what's going on. Let me check the config file real quick first. Alright, so pull request. Let's look at our... Oh, it was already over here. Oh well. Let's look at our config file. So we use webhook, URL, events, webhook. Webhooks, okay, so it's plural. And then inside of it we have, okay. So I wonder if this means, you know what, for the sake of this, we'll go ahead and just bring up Postman. Yeah, it's getting a little crowded. You go back over here to the other window. Okay. And you go, I'll stick you back there. Can I do it without an account? Ah, there we go. I'll say on my regular profile I have okay. So let's take, and you get to see my URL here. I think it's probably glitch being glitchy. But let me grab an example payload here. Got a 200 back. Oh, brother. I go to all that trouble. Alright, let's see. It actually returned. Let's see. Tests. Okay, so it's something in the live environment to there. That's unfortunate. I can't tell. I can't tell what happened without restarting. I don't want to restart Owncast. Ah, man. Okay, let's just look through this. So webhooks, we've got this defined. / Owncast secret. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with that. I mean, I could put it in quotes maybe. But I mean, the YAML file shouldn't have a problem with it, I don't think. It's worth a shot. You know what? To prevent having to mess with that, Owncast. Let's make sure I got the latest. Run main. There it is for the flag I was looking for. Okay, let's Owncast. Tests. Automated test MP4. Alright, so we've got a stream going. Nope. Localhost. I think there's our port. Oh, you know I did all that for no reason. Stop. Okay. Config YAML. do it exactly as it is in production. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna try to avoid restarting if I can. Okay. So something's wrong between Owncast and the webhook. But what? Okay. Let's go verbose. Let's just throw the body out. Oh, hush, glitch. Okay. Let's see. You know, I can't tell if it restarted or not. What does rewind do? Okay, anyways. It's listening. Open my chat. Test 2. Okay. So something definitely hit it. Oh, you know what? I bet it's not passing the headers needed. Let's try modifying the local one real quick. You see my getting a little chaotic over here. Webhook. Okay, new requests. I believe, let's see, request dot header dot set and I'm drawing a blank on what the appropriate format here should be. Content type. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. I think this is probably it. Application slash JSON. Let's see, I don't. Nope, no error return. Bet that's it. Can't tell if that actually sent to Rocket Chat or not. I feel like if we're using the same words. Hello world. Yeah, it does. Okay. That's it. For webhook, git commit add header. Add JSON header so content type can be determined. This kind of sucks. Tell you what, is anybody actually watching? That'll tell me whether or not I should restart Owncast. I'll pull down to go builds. I mean, sad part is it'd be like a blip. I wonder if Prism will notice. I can't tell if anybody's watching or not. I don't think so. I'm all alone. That's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and restart. So be back in a second. You'll probably have to refresh the page to get it to realize the stream's back up. Yeah, here it goes. Alright, we're back. I think. Yep. Yeah, buddy. Haha. I like this. Alright. So, that was only an hour. We've accomplished what I wanted to, surprisingly. Let me show you what I had before. So I was basically doing this. Had this going up here, and had this over here. And with this sort of integration, I can now actually decrease it to just this guy. Pretty cool. Let's just make sure Twitch is still working. Hello from Twitch. Not bad latency. Oh. Keep going crazy. Hello from Owncast. Boom. Nice. And let's go ahead, let's just clean up some messages real quick. That's pretty cool. So like, if we get the outbound, or I guess inbound Owncast working, I kind of take this probably a step further. Take this a step further and actually have it go from here over. Maybe even bridge the two worlds. I don't know. I think it's more important for, at least for me, for whoever's watching to be able to communicate with me. So, anyways, go ahead and post this over here. Nice. Let's. Okay, so let me close this window. Don't need it anymore. Guess I don't need this. I don't need this anymore. I just have an Owncast, a Rocket Chat channel. Is all I'm left with needing. Alright. Glad we discovered that. Hate that I had to disrupt the Owncast stream. But, glad we figured it out. Alright, so this is actually really simple. A lot simpler than I thought it would be. I bet we could do something like if node environment something like that. It's a little cleaner. Let's see. Still need Express, Axios, TMI. All right. So take that. We got our bot. We don't need to set up. Well, you know what? I can do this. Connecting to Twitch user. Twitch IRC with user. Okay, that's kind of verbose, but it's useful. Twitch connected to blah blah blah. Alias text, send a message. Let's see, and I'm gonna go ahead and take this just to kind of group this stuff together. Const app express. I don't know why I cut it instead of copy. Okay. Let me just copy this up to just to make sure that nothing broke. Oh, it doesn't like the status code. Let's result status code. What did I use? Maybe I used the wrong result status code. Don't know. Oh, hey, I have some people connected. Did I close my tab? I did close my tab. Okay. So if you want to see anybody that disconnected, I'll move this window over here. If you post a message in, well, move this over here. So if you send a message in Twitch or Owncast, you will see your message pop up here. So let's see. So it's well, okay. You won't. You won't see it pop up here. Bro, let me fix this real quick. I don't know why it doesn't like it here. I need to figure out that code exactly. There you go. Now if you send a message. Aha! Hey, that kind of sort of works. Not the cleanest coming over, but it does show the image. So I guess it's functioning. Yeah. Yeah, so then on the, I mean, the code's like super easy. This TMI JS makes it, I guess, I mean, I guess any IRC library would do the trick, but yeah, I saw this and I was like, let's give this a shot. I did have to fix yeah. So it makes it nice for me because like I can actually now see the true like watch count, right? So I no longer have to get the stream up. I just take my current viewer -1 for the live stream chat embed, and I know what the true count is. Yeah. So I don't know what I want to do with this now. I guess basically I need to share it somewhere. Because I could put it on GitHub I do need to figure out this little block here, because glitch doesn't like this, but locally you need it to load that .env file. But yeah, yeah. So this is, it was kind of a little tricky, because there for a minute, like I was like, okay, why isn't Owncast sending messages? And I couldn't tell if like glitch was actually up and online, or what was happening. Turns out it was, I wasn't sending the right, Owncast wasn't sending the header. But I guess once it's awake, it's kind of like Heroku, maybe? No, not Heroku. It's like Heroku meets function as a service, maybe? I don't know. So it wakes up the app, but it's not actually a function as a service. Yeah, kind of different. Yeah, I think what's nice here is I think I can somehow like name this and share this whole project. What I'm not sure about is if I do that, will it try to keep my secrets or will it erase my secrets? No, I don't want that. Like, I want to make it so some other people can use it as a template. I think that's possible. Don't know. Import and export. I have no idea. So if somebody has ideas, I can just share this code. Like, really, it's, you set the environment variables, you put this bot.js in this package JSON file, and that's it. I don't know what the assets. Oh, well, I don't need those. Yeah. So, I guess that's it. Wow. Kind of like, I'm almost like a little disappointed, because there's nothing else to do, really. It would be kind of nice to take and send from Rocket Chat back to both, but I'll wait till a little later till we get the storage set up. No sense in wasting effort trying to get like to set up the config file and stuff. Like, it's just kind of wasted. Plus, I guess you'd have to like set the secret in the config file instead of a secret being generated, so that's not ideal. So I'll just wait. I'll not be impatient. I guess I could look around and see what else I could take a poke at. Maybe there's something else small that I could attack kind of quickly. Yeah, okay, so this is, I think, what I was basically referring to. Yep. Yeah, we'll need to do that, but that's a whole, I think that really has set the storage implemented. This one, I was thinking is building a simple, it's just a little animation or something that's wasting some kind of keyword, like doing Twitch. The front end would have to get messages from the back end. Maybe. I don't know. That's worth a shot. Let's see. Yeah, that should be possible. Let's see. Scratch. Let me toss this over. I guess the true test I could actually do for stream purposes, it would actually be kind of cool to show embedded, right? Put whatever it is. They put a keyword. Maybe I throw it as a browser embed. So you say this keyword, maybe The dancing banana shows up in the corner. Yeah, I like that. Let's try that. Twitch. Bet we could pull it off pretty quickly, actually. I already have it up and over here. Okay. So, what I'm not sure, need to look at real quick, is Express WebSocket. I forget how you handle an Express WebSocket upgrade. I think Express has a way. Nice. Okay, yeah, let's give this a shot. So I know it's Express WebSocket. I'm not using TypeScript, so that's not an issue. Where do you put it at? So they're just saying on connection, but where's the route to handle the upgrade? That's not what I want. Let's see, WebSocket. I don't care what a WebSocket is. I know that already. Pretty much remember how to do. Oh, I guess Socket.io. Maybe that's when yeah, I've used Socket.io before with Express. That's looking familiar. Okay. Still not what I'm wanting though. It's got a Node.js, Express, Socket.io. I don't want to use Socket.io. Just want a WebSocket. So this is probably the easiest way. Yeah, this is probably the easiest way. Alright. Let's do Apples. They're doing. Really? It's added as an on to the app object. No, not the app object, but the okay. So when you do the listen, it returns a raw Node.js HTTP server. Gotcha. Okay, so then the server on upgrade. So I guess the upgrade event request socket head. Then I pass it to the WebSocket server and handle the upgrade. Okay. Alright. Let's do this. Let's do npm install ws. Save. Go down here with the Express. WebSocket server. No server true. Okay. WebSocket on connection, on message. So it's a console log it. I don't actually care so much about what's sent, other than maybe I need to do a ping pong. Yeah, I'll leave this for now. Okay. And then server on. Okay, so server object. brute forcing it. I think, let me look over here. Yeah, I think it probably would after a while. So it's probably one of those things that, like, I think a ping pong is probably going to be, like, definitely required to keep at least the WebSocket alive. Let's see. Let's see, I guess I could go ahead and stub out a handler real quick. If this is socket dot emit. I think so. That's the web server emit. I really don't like Node.js. I want to do this in Go. Pong, I guess. Otherwise, log it. Okay. Okay, yeah, I was gonna switch over to this other project. I forget there's a way to serve just a web page with Express. Come on, load the project. Yeah, I guess the sad part is I wouldn't know if Glitch did shut down the socket on Rocket Chat, since that's what I'm using for the chat now. I would have no idea. Let's see, server. Yes, I guess it would just serve a. So the boost calls public. Sure. Okay. I'll just copy how they have it. Index.html. Okay. Yep. And this will serve the folder. Nope. This will be a little more creative here. Put this up here. Okay, so I'm actually gonna I'm not gonna handle the raw. I'm gonna just do the embed path. Spit out the index. It's delivered in the public folder, so I can put our dancing banana in there. Okay. Now I need to put the index file in. You know, I don't even know what this looks like. What does it look like? Oh. I don't need all this. Okay. I really just need a blank page. I don't need buttons. I don't need anything. I need a script file. I don't even need CSS, I don't think. Okay. So just put an image tag here. Put the source to images dancing banana. GIF. I think that's a GIF. know what? I could just link. I won't want to do this for. Nah, I'll not be lazy. Make directory images. So we'll do images. Banana. Display none. ID banana. Okay. Script.js. I don't think I need all the stuff they've got here, but I'll. Let's see. Get element ID. I do want to do this banana. Okay. Don't do that. Don't need that. I do, however, need to do. Listen to a WebSocket. That new WebSocket. Guess it doesn't actually matter since it's handling any path upgrade to a WebSocket. Protocol. I don't actually remember what protocol it needs to be. I think it's WSS. Good question. Why does it show? Socket attribute is optional, and if present, specify a sub-protocol the server must support. Oh, yeah, I don't need that. So I wonder if I can I do that? Let's try it. Socket dot, I need to define some on events. On open. Socket dot. No, I don't need to send anything. Do need to, however. I don't know. I'll see what happens after this, but let's see. We'll do server emit. Nope. No. No, don't need to do that. Okay. So on open, we'll start off with a ping. And well. Connection opened. And then WSocket dot send ping. Okay, socket's opened. Socket dot on message. Okay, so if event dot. So they're taking received message. Okay, so it's in the data section. Okay, data equals Pong. Yeah, I forget how to implement ping pong. I know we don't send it. The server needs to send it every like periodically. So the servicing Pong. I don't actually need to do anything on Pong. No, the client sends the ping. Oh yeah. Okay. So I'm not actually gonna do anything here. I'm just gonna do. So if it's dance, we'll do banana dot. Let's see if I can remember how to do this. Where's the footer at on this guy? Document get element by ID. Footer dot. I could Google it. I'll just Google it. DOM change style. JavaScript DOM change style. Yep. That. Oh, really? So I could do. Okay. Banana dot style dot display equals block. Let's see, set interval. I could use one of these guys. And do it every. See, for it to be determined alive every. Oh. I don't know. 300 milliseconds. Ping. Okay, so ping pong happens here. Set interval. I probably need to stash this somewhere. I don't care about doing this correctly. So I should stash this somewhere and do a cancel if the socket disconnects, but that's right. Okay. Just looking to see what else should I implement. So this should probably be set the style, set timeout. I don't know how long this should show. Banana style display none. Okay. So create the socket, go on open, starts our typical pings, server will pong back. On message, if the type is dance, it'll display it, set a timeout, revert it back. Okay. Banana's here, hidden by default. Probably have to do some stuff there. I don't really know what. Alright. go back over to our project. I think I saw where I could do a git clone. Come on. Wakey wakey. See, this could be where they actually shut the socket down, and I'm over here thinking it's still alive, and it's not. Very likely, actually. Tools. Yeah, I think it actually did shut it down. So maybe a WebSocket would keep it alive. Let's see. I have to Google it because I forget. Git set origin. I always copy GitHub's. Git remote and origin. Yeah, I guess that's probably something I shouldn't have showed on screen. Yeah, I would agree. I mean, especially, I don't know if I'm kind of wondering about it. It's like if a webhook is sent, does it like store like temporarily somehow that request and then forward it over when it's alive, or does it wake up fast enough to be able to listen? I don't know. Be worth trying it out, I guess, in production for a while. Git add bot.js. I don't even know if I did this right, but I have a view. It's gonna start a WebSocket. If it gets the word banana, which I do need to add quickly. I guess really I need function handle message. Just do something like WS server. Wait, no. If texts dance. Making the banana dance. And then WS server dot emit banana. And then source author text. You know, I could get more creative here. I could decode this and say who made the banana dance. That would be cooler. I don't know, let's just see if I can make the banana dance. Let's see, handle message. Let's see. Okay. Wait, nope. Git status, git add bot.js, git commit, make banana. I think I just do shorthand u origin master. Really? Oh, I can't do that? Jeez. Really? I can't push this? By default, updating the current branch in a non-bear repository is denied because it will make the... Oh. Let's see. Git commit to this, go to master. Check out master. Seriously? Okay. Copy. Remove the git from here. Hop into here. Copy. Move the git back a level. Yep. Git status. Cheerful. Okay. I think that works. Make banana dance. I've typed this so many times I've forgotten. Now will you work? Come on. Refusing to update by default up to the, in a non-bear repository is denied. To squash this message and still keep the DB. I don't get it. Can you give me some documentation here, glitch? Glitch. Check out source code. Glitch rewind. I mean, I don't want to import from GitHub. Can't you just give me some like help here, glitch? What do you want? Yeah, I've done like a I've done like a git bear for like set like doing dot files, but maybe I just need to git clone bear repo. Bear repos. This is a dash bear. Okay, let's try this again. Maybe that's just what it is. It's just git clone bear. Okay. You know what? I'll just take and move everything. I don't get it. Oh, how to... Oh, okay. Git clone bear. Hello. Hello, git. How do you... Okay, glitch bear repo. They're making this way too complicated. Okay. Well, let's just take... No. Move. 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 I think I grabbed it all. Okay. Well, let's just do this the hard way. Because, well, the less hard way. So bot.js. We'll call this views index to HTML. Okay, new file. Upload a file. I'm not sure how that works with uploading. I could try public images. Banana. B-A-N-A. Yeah. Stream goes. Nope, nope. Stream. Scratch. Public images. Banana. I don't know how to use that. Okay. I can make this prettier later. At this point, let's just get the crazy thing in here. All right. New file. This will be public script.js. Okay. Yep, and we also need this guy updated. Okay. Let's see what we got. One more package is loaded. Alright. It says it's live. Alright, let's see what we got. A new window. Bid. Do we have a banana? We do have a banana. Better question is, does the banana have a WebSocket? The banana does not have a WebSocket because I forgot to call the connect method. Oh, brother. HTML WebSocket. I don't remember. I think it's just connect. No? Okay, yeah, so it doesn't like that. So I need to pass open WebSocket with relative path. Okay. So basically, window dot location. Okay. Location dot nope. Just location post. Location dot protocol. This is ugly. Well, let's just do it outside. Okay, so if otherwise WebSocket, and I have to do the dot slash slash. Okay, drop this guy back up into our scriptures. What are you talking about? Redeclaration of non-configurable global property location. Oh, that's what they did, Loke. Fine. Fine, I will comply. Operation is unsecure. What operation? Uncaught DOM exception. Operation is unsecure. Maybe you just didn't like it being declared inside there. Don't know. I don't understand. Okay, what line does it not like? But why don't you like that? WebSocket. I have no intention of... Okay. I don't want... Oh man. This was supposed to be easy. I think this should be a solved problem now. Owncast. Where's the web root? Okay, WebSocket's a component, looks like. Entry. Oh, come on. So it's back here. And utils, WebSocket. Okay. Well, I like that. That's nice and like straightforward. So let's do this. Okay. Now, where is that used? Try this again. I'll get this eventually. Oh. Yeah. I always forget that search exists. Haha! Connection opened. Let's see. Response. Oh, ping, ping, ping. That's a little bit too fast of a response. Yep. Let's change that. Still too fast. but noticeably, there is no pong. Why is that? Well, let's look at the logs, because it should be logging that out. It is not. Okay. That's weird. Socket on message. Okay. Okay, so it looks like it's not even actually seeing anything. That, or am I pinging so fast that slow down? Oh, haha, I'm changing the wrong timeout. No wonder it's not making any difference. Okay. Okay, so we got a ping. Okay, that's a more respectable ping interval. Should probably still increase it, but now, as to why the server seems to have no idea about these messages. Okay, so let me go ahead and log out. Connection. Let's see, WebSocket connection established. So we know that happened. Wonder. No, you would think that socket dot admit is going up. Yeah, so it should be, unless that's probably what it is right there. Okay. Let's go back over here. Bed. Ping pong, ping pong. Okay. Now. Hello. Let's see. Oh, I have like 2 different tabs of Owncast. No wonder. Okay. Let's do this. Dance. No, it's no, it's dance. Okay. Making the banana dance. Okay, so I did emit. So emit's just telling the internal event system. Yeah, I should have known that. Okay, so this needs to be dot send. No. Dot. Let's see. How do I send it to all connected listeners? Node.js WebSocket send all. Love how that's just like a Stack Overflow for everything. Broadcasts. That makes sense. Alright, Cyrus dancing again. Nothing from the WebSocket. Ooh, hey. Broadcast is not a function. Okay, you lied to me, Stack Overflow. Okay. Ah. Yep. Okay, I can't blame it on that. What WS server clients for each client send. Oh, now I forget what the dance, all lowercase. This is looking kind of a little bit raggedy here, but making it happen. Alright. See what you can do. Dance. Yeah! It disappears. Nice. Okay. Now, browser. Dancing banana. Let's put in OBS real quick. I don't even know how big that banana is. Alright. If it works, should see a dancing banana on the right side of the screen. Oh, that is microscopic. But it was there. Let's see. We should set a size on this guy. Let's see. Width. Wonder if 200 pixels is enough. Index. Okay, I wonder. I guess do I hide it and then show it on? Hold on, Scarlett. Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna have to somehow reload this. Refresh cache. Really? What just happened? Nothing happened. Hey, it's child in the background. Well, that happened. Good. Only 3 connections. Sorry, Gabe. uh, anyways. Dance. Oh, I broke something. Oh, yes, of course, of course, of course. Oh, I hate it when browsers do this. Alright. Embed. Good thing this is not bridged over and nobody's on Twitch. Okay. Be getting spammed with dance messages constantly. Alright. Try this one more time. Maybe I just need to make it larger on here. Preview. 200. I don't know how tall that is. Although 200 by 200 square, I guess. Alright, try this again. It did show Dancing Banana. I just would like to make it bigger. Properties. I guess my resolution's so high, I'm gonna have to do like 500 or something. Or maybe like, what is it? Like 300? 300. 350. Be in the middle. Yes, the server actually does have hooks. I intentionally deployed this branch. Yeah, just for this. I did have to interrupt the stream earlier to deploy the JSON fix, but yeah. All right, let's see if this works. Dance. Try again. Goodness. Yeah. Okay. Now it's big enough that it's actually appropriate. All right. Let me do it from Owncast as well. Dance. Nice. I like this. This is cool. So it's bridged to Rocket Chat. Anytime you send the command dance, it makes a dance. Let's do one more thing. Can't leave things alone. Let's let's see. Let's put a let's see. I guess just a div. The ID message. Okay. Then in here in the script. One event or two events? Wonder if it decodes if it's JSON. I don't think it does. No, it doesn't. So let's do payload. Well, I don't, if it's a ping or a pong, I don't really want it to handle it. What is it? JSON.parse. This is gonna fail if it's not JSON. I don't remember. I think so. Let's see, parse. Yeah, so it's gonna fail. I don't remember how to handle this. Actually, it's probably something being handled inside of Owncast. I could probably go steal that again. Let's do it. Owncast. Webroot. I'll use the T shortcut again, or not again. I will actually use it. Let's see. On message. Okay, just to try catch around. Yeah, it's kind of what I figured. Okay, so let's do a try catch. We'll do constant because we're not modifying it. Constant payload equals JSON parse event data catch malformed JSON. Yeah, nope. We're just straight up we're not gonna do anything because pongs are never gonna be properly formed JSON unless I fix that later. Yeah, so I'll stick that up in the try catch. Okay, so if payload dot action equals dance, then I'll do this banana get element by ID. We'll do, I'll rename it here in a second. Message box. Script. Okay, so we say basically parse it. Then we'll set message box dot inner text. Sure. No. I don't remember. Can I set this to just raw HTML? Payload dot sender. Sure. Message box dot inner HTML. Okay. And then of course, let's do this. Pong. So client can send this ping. Server will always send JSON. Okay. Type. Nope. Action. I think I have to have. Yeah, I'm about to do this. I want this. So type. Let's type action. Action. Dance. Sender. Would be author in this case. Oh, and then close out the. So type action. Action is dance. Center. Okay. Let's get this all deployed. Bot. Oop, not doing bookmarks. Okay. Okay. Now what happens? See what I broke. Everything? It's not even opening a WebSocket anymore. Require is not defined. Oh, come on, really? VS Code, you're screwing me over here, man. Okay. Embed. Yep, WebSocket, ping pong, ping pong, ping pong. Wow, that's really fast. Oh, because I didn't adjust it here. Okay. Now let's try it one more time. Dance. Okay, well it showed up on the page. Did not show up on OBS. Refresh. Ah, probably get the WebSocket. Yep, WebSocket's not getting reconnected. That's right. I'll handle that in a minute. Woo! Dance. Let's see. I wonder. Spect element. I'm gonna get like banned from Twitch. Gonna be like, hey, you're spamming the same message too many times. 350. I could probably throw in another 50 in the height. So say 400 high. Okay. Dance. I saw a little bit of text there at the bottom. Really? What's going on here? Yeah, I did it. I did the OBS. I did notice that like it shows like in the bottom corner, or on the bottom here, it's showing like those like the text is being cut off. Let me try refreshing the width and height. Oh, you know what? I have overflow hidden on the. I wonder what that does. I guess I'll refresh cache on that. Dance again. Come on. I've made it large in OBS. Yeah, so it should be taking up a pretty big chunk of the stream there. It's 500 by 500. Maybe I need to set an actual height on the body here. 500 pixels, width, 500 pixels. See what it actually looks like. It fits. Okay, let me just set that all like rigid here. Width 500 pixels, height 500 pixels, style. Oh, that's height. Okay. I really need to make this handle, I think, WebSockets. Been disconnected, but let's see. Dance. Huh. Maybe it's. I do have background set to transparent through OBS. Let's apply that same logic here. Well, do that properly. Try that again. Dance. Interesting. Yeah, should be showing the message. odd. So I don't have a display none, so this is a fixed box. Let me try putting this guy in a fixed box. Height 500 pixels. Width 500 pixels. I don't know. I hate CSS. Oh, helps if I deploy that. Well, that causes the scroll bars to show up. That's something, right? Yeah, that's true. I keep hitting that refresh. But let's do this. Hello. Just have a persistent hello there. Yep. Bed, bring it over here. Refresh it in OBS. You know what? Probably onto something. FPS. Let me try changing the URL. Nope. Let me bring OBS into the main window here. Take this one off. Let's see. Properties. So I've got 500. I did take off the overflow. Just to make it sure I could see the scroll bars there. I've got 500. This box is... yeah, it's 500. That may be the easiest way to make it. That's interesting. Yeah, it's like it's cached. Remove. Let's add the dancing banana all over again. Just leave it exactly. And you know what? So like, unless... let me try turning off the transparency. No? That doesn't seem to... let's see. Live. Interesting. I'll say the odd thing is that the... so the banana shows up. That's the really kind of odd part here. Is that I can still type. And that banana still shows up. So it's opening. It's getting a WebSocket. I mean, I could try. I even tried sticking like something to cache. Well, just cache one. It's a new URL. Put it over white text background just to see if the black text isn't showing. I don't know if I need to explicitly say text's color. Let's see what it says. It's just maybe I just need to explicitly say the color. Maybe it doesn't know what the default color should be. Properties. Cache 2. This is weird. So yeah, this 500 by 500 area. Well, 500 by 550 area. Hello's inside. It's getting an inherited black text color. The image. Huh. OBS not showing texts on browser. Source. Nope, that's not what I want. I don't know. This is. I mean, let me try taking out everything out of the custom. And actually, let me go ahead and bump this to extra. No. It's just straight up. Not gonna show. See, what is this? This source is called. It's a browser source, right? OBS. Let me try just pointing this to the Owncast website. What do you show? So it shows the website. I mean, yeah. Text is all showing. Well, hold up. What is this? I'm just gonna take out this extra junk. I don't need all this. I don't think it'll have an impact, but you know, never know. Let's see. Send it back over. Oops. Not what I wanted to do at all. It's still not working. Yeah. I don't get it at all. I mean, the dancing banana works. I guess I should be happy with that and just be done with it. I mean, if it was with the static text not showing, that's what baffles me a little bit. Let me just do like a span with hello world. Yeah, I mean, if it was like the dynamic text not showing, then I'd say, okay, maybe the browser, the embedded browser is like not capable of showing that. Yeah, that's like, it's not showing anything. I mean, unless, is it possible it doesn't know how to display an H1 or a span? Do I need to instruct it? No, it doesn't make sense. Because I mean, this homepage here works. I don't think we're giving style for absolutely everything. I mean, I guess I could throw some CSS in here. Yeah, exactly. It showed all the CSS. Let's see. What is weird? Okay. Now my browser's not even gonna show me. A little browser source for streaming. Yeah, let's try that. That's a good plan. Display block. Well, let me get rid of that spare still there. Constantly shows the banana. Yeah, so it just keeps showing the banana. Let's see, even in this preview here, yeah, it's showing. I wonder if it can it just not show the color. Well, no, that's not. That can't be, because it did. I was just thinking like the color. Fresh. No, I don't get it. Let's see, line height 20 pixels, color FFF. Yeah, I don't get it. It could just be my OBS install. I don't really have another OBS to try it on. Well, I guess I could load it up on my MacBook and try. I don't know. It's kind of irritating. Alright. Well, when working, or if working. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. I wonder, actually, what happens if I have no image? Does anything change? Just nothing then. Yeah, like text has no size, or maybe like the Z index. No, I don't know. Has no size, has no color, has no something. I mean, I would say if the colors were wrong on my stream, that maybe somehow my color was being distorted. I have had that happen here in the sources here. No, I don't remember where I was at. I remember looking in here and having to change, but no. Preview. Hold on. Okay, hold Yeah. I'm lost. Um, I mean, I got it working on stream, which is cool. Um, but yeah, it's just like text has no size, has no, um, which is crazy. Let's see. Let's do a div style color blue, um, height 50, text size. No, it's font size. I don't know, 14. Line height. Yep, that would. Good catch there, glitch. Oh, what in the world? What in the world? Is it blue text that's showing up? I wonder if it's the text that's showing, or if it's... Oh, I don't even know. Let's try with no color at all. It has no height, or it has no font. Let me try taking off the height. All the height ones here. So line height. Well, let me take it off one at a time. Let's do this the scientific way. Okay. Not line height. Not height. It's font size. Wow. So, font size. Well, I wonder what happens with these two. Both text show up. Well, the message box didn't show, but I don't actually know. I need to check and see if that was. It appears not. Yeah, I don't quite understand that. To me, that makes no sense at all. It's like the building. Maybe it's. I mean, I installed through the Arch AUR, so it's possible that maybe just the way they built it ended up with nothing in the font. I don't know. And something must be messed up on the JavaScript. see it's probably the inner HTML. So I think that needs to be an actual DOM. I don't remember. Okay, I could have swore I copied and pasted that. Okay. Probably a little too aggressive, but right. One last try of this. Dance. Too big. Okay, give it a shot. Dance. Nice. Okay. I think this is gonna pretty much do it for me. The only thing I guess I kind of wanted to do is maybe do something like that. I don't know. Just to indicate where it came from. Okay. Dance. Well, okay. It wasn't fully restarted. Get a bit wider. Oh, that's exactly what they already had. Okay, that's it. We're gonna stop messing with it here. Gotta dance. Okay, that's good enough. All right, let's give it one more shot from Owncast. Just dance. Nice. Okay. I guess that concludes what I wanted to do. Really, I guess I need to just take and figure out how to share this, which I'll probably do here in just a little bit. I might even stream again a little bit, but I need to go take care of some stuff here. Awesome. Yeah. Guess that concludes it for me then, at least for this stream. We have a working bot that posts to Rocket Chat, shows a message on stream, from both Twitch and Owncast. So I guess till next time, bye. I'll go ahead and I'll add the dancing banana to the outro screen and leave it up for a little while, just in case anybody wants to play with it. Alright, I'm out.